In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your transfer limits in your SoFi account. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to SoFi.com. Once the site loads, sign into your primary profile portal. Make sure you're using the correct main profile before moving on, since transfer information can depend on the account you're viewing. If the page takes a moment to fully load, just give it a few seconds so all menus and account features appear properly. After you're logged in, look toward the upper right area of the page for your profile icon. This is where account-related options are usually stored. Click that icon, and from the menu that opens, select Help Center. The Help Center is where SoFi keeps support articles, account guidance, and general policy information. So this is the best place to confirm official transfer limits directly from the platform. Once you're inside the Help Center, find the search bar and type in the article title, "What are my transfer limits?" Try to enter the title as clearly as possible so the correct article appears near the top of the results. When you see that article, click to open it. Now take a moment to carefully review the information shown in the article. You're looking for the absolute daily and monthly ceiling caps for ACH transfers, wire transfers, and external debit card actions. As you read, pay attention to how the limits are grouped. Because different transfer methods may have different maximums, daily limits refer to the total amount allowed within a single day, while monthly limits refer to the overall cap across a longer billing or calendar period, depending on how the platform defines it. This step is especially useful if you're planning a larger transfer or trying to avoid delays, declines, or repeated attempts that could happen if you exceed a stated cap. Reading the article directly from the Help Center also helps you verify that you're working from the most current information available. Before you finish, it's a good idea to double check that you've reviewed all three categories: ACH, wire, and external debit card activity. That way, you'll have a complete understanding of the transfer ceilings that apply to different types of money movement in your account. And that's it. You've successfully found and reviewed your SoFi transfer limits using the Help Center, so you can plan transfers more confidently and